This is a short descriptive video about a Japanese flip alarm clock, the Seiko DP692T, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that's the one. It's relatively large for this particular type of clock. I regularly have this particular type of clock in my shop, different models, but they're usually the same clockwork, the same motor, the same mechanism. This one is relatively large. It's not super heavy. It's mostly plastic, plus some metal components, of course, and this is real glass. So the clock is in a good condition. It's used. It's got some stains on the top, some marks, let's say, darker marks. I'm not sure if you would be able to see them. Yeah, I think you will. I tried to polish them out, but it didn't really work, and yeah, you know, I'm not really happy to use any very aggressive liquids on it to try and remove them, so I decided to leave them there. You know, after all, the clock is 45-50 years old, so you know it's entitled to have a little bit of wear and tear. Clock is not new. Clock is in a good condition considering the age. It is a flip alarm clock. Let me see. There you go. That should probably wake you. It is a 12-hour clock. It doesn't have an AM or a PM function, as is usually the case with these clocks. So, you know, you'd have to remember yourself whether it's AM or PM, and under normal circumstances I would say that is doable. So yeah, with the big wheel you set the alarm, with the small wheel you set the time. Here you have an indicator that the motor is running, what we in flip clock land call let's say the flywheel of the motor. Alarm on and off. And on the back, as is the case with a lot of Japanese clocks, there is a switch. It could be at the bottom, but in this case it's at the back. 50-60 hertz. So this particular clock is 110 volts and 50 or 60 hertz. So again, you can use it in the US, set it to 60 hertz, just plug it in and good to go. Or you can use it in Europe or Australia, for example, and set it to 50 hertz, use a mere travel adapter, and you're also good to go. So very versatile and multifunctional. Yeah, so good condition, 100% working. I cleaned it inside and out. I polished it, as I said. I polished the glass. The motor was cleaned and lubricated. Got a new light, new resistor, new wiring, new cable, new plug. So, you know, 100% safe and 200% good to go. That's it. Any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.